Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest reviews about the viral blush hack that has gone viral. So here we go. I'm starting to apply a liquid lipstick from Nykaa on my cheekbones, a little bit on my temples and the bridge of my nose. This liquid lipstick is extremely pigmented, and that is the reason why I chose this particular brand and this particular Wonderpuff lipstick. Then I'm taking a beauty blender to blend it all out, and let me be honest, at this time I was very nervous because it was really not coming out together. So I just wanted to give it a try, and then I just kept on blending. I also took whatever product was there on the beauty blender up to my chin and a little bit on the eyelids so that it would just act as a little bit of a corrector as well. Going in with the cream contouring stick from Forever 52, I'm applying it wherever I usually do my cream contour, which is the hollows of my cheeks, temples of my forehead, chin and the bridge of my nose. And going in with the other side of the same beauty blender where there was no red mark, I'm just going to blend it all out together. At this time I was really unsure of how this look would turn out to be, as I was stepping out and I was not having enough time to redo my entire makeup. But you can see how uncomfortable my face is and how unsure I was of this look. Moving on to my foundation, I wanted to choose a medium coverage foundation, and that is why I went with the Wet n Wild foundation, and I'm applying it all over my face, especially on those areas where I have applied the red lipstick as well. To blend out my foundation, I'm going to take in another beauty blender and not the one with which I applied the red lipstick, because we do not want to transfer the red lipstick onto our foundation, and hence I'm using a totally new different beauty blender. Of course, this is a damp beauty blender, and I'm all going to tap it and blend it all over my face. For my under eyes and to conceal my other places on my face, I'm taking a Viseart Concealer because that is a full heavy pigmented concealer, and I really wanted to cover my dark circles and show a little bit less of the redness on my face. As you can see, my neck and my face is showing a little bit difference of color, which I was not very satisfied with. Once I'm done with blending the concealer, I'm going to set my face with some loose powder, and now I'm going to make sure that I do not set the cheek area where we applied the red lipstick, because that is the point we want to highlight, and if we set and apply some loose powder onto that area, the effect of the redness and the red lipstick we applied will be gone altogether. After all these steps, I needed to refill and redo my brows. So I highly recommend doing your brows after you have done all these steps. Otherwise, you have to go back and forth to your brows. Next, I'm going to apply a lot of mascara, and the one that I'm using is from Tarte. It's called the Big Ego Mascara. It is a brilliant mascara, guys. I love this mascara. It just gives you instant volume and length, which you really want for this look. On my lips, I'm applying a nude liquid lipstick all over my lips, and then I'm going to top it up with the same red color that I applied on my cheeks so that it looks a little bit more balanced and cohesive. To add a little glow on my face, I'm going to use the highlighter stick from Sugar Cosmetics, warm it up on the back of my hand and apply it on the highest points of my cheeks. And this is my final look, guys. I honestly really like this viral technique. It was definitely way faster than any other application of makeup. Do let me know if you have tried this technique in the comment section down below, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.